Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Cap-Pele is a coastal town in southeastern New Brunswick, located along the Northumberland Strait about 50 kilometers east of Moncton. It is one of the province's best-known Acadian communities, where French is the first language for most residents and Acadian traditions remain a central part of everyday life. The town has a population of just over 2,000 people, with several neighboring communities adding to the area's strong regional identity. The combination of beaches, fishing boats, and working waterfront gives Cap-Pelé a character that is closely tied to the sea. The community was first settled by Acadian families during the late 1700s after the Acadian expulsion. Over the years, fishing, farming, and forestry supported the local economy, and the community gradually developed schools, churches, businesses, and public services. Fishing has always been the backbone of the local economy. Cap-Pelé is recognized as one of Canada's most important lobster fishing communities, and lobster remains the area's largest industry. During lobster season, the harbour becomes especially busy as fishing vessels leave before sunrise and return with their catches. Many residents work as fishers, while others are employed in seafood processing plants, transportation, refrigeration, equipment maintenance, and marine services. Snow crab, herring, and other seafood species also contribute to the local economy. Cap-Pelé is well known for its beautiful sandy beaches. The warm waters of the Northumberland Strait attract visitors throughout the summer, and nearby Aboiteau Beach is one of the region's most popular destinations. The beach offers soft sand, boardwalks, and relatively shallow water that warms quickly during the summer months. The coastline also supports boating, kayaking, birdwatching, and recreational fishing, making outdoor activities an important part of life in the community. Housing in Cap-Pelé remains relatively affordable compared with many larger Canadian communities. While prices depend on location, size, and proximity to the water, the average home typically sells for between $300,000 and $400,000. Waterfront homes and newer properties often sell for considerably more, while older homes farther from the shoreline can sometimes be purchased at lower prices. Interest in the area has grown as more people look for smaller communities with access to the coast. Today, Cap-Pelé combines a thriving fishing industry with Acadian culture, beautiful beaches, and a strong sense of community. Its working harbour, coastal scenery, and long history continue to shape everyday life. Whether people come here for the seafood, the shoreline, or the welcoming atmosphere, Cap-Pelé offers a genuine look at one of New Brunswick's most important coastal communities.
Thanks for watching!